Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Hi guys! Nandito kami ngayon sa Ocean Park. Let's go!
We're gonna enter Oceanarium thing. Yes, Bree, can you dance? Rat dance. Dun, 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 dun.
OMG guys, we are in the oceanarium.
The sash ringing, the trash singing, mash flinging.
I don't really know what it
See?
is.
All the
Hi guys! So, nandito ngayon Ocean Fork. Ocean Fork, spoon and fork.
Yung ano, Philippine.
Andito kami ngayon sa Ocean Park para ipakita sa inyo na hindi maganda dito. Hindi na talaga akong sasarapan sa Jollibee.
Stop it. Get some help.
Wala, mama! Wala nang balat yung akin!
Welcome to my channel, and today I'm here to give you some ideas how to report even though I'm not college or senior high. First, you need to be open palms. It shows confident and open karponat. Ano open-minded? Approachable. And next is leveling, or this, because it helps us to count how many carbonates did you smell. Is it category baby? Category toddler? Actually, I'm washing my younger siblings' carbonate before.
Dalian mo!
Grabe si tita, naglilinis-linis na ba?
Hindi tayo pinapansin ni ate.
Ito pala yung feeling.
It's 10.
So yeah, now we're going outside. It's already, I think, 9:38. It's 9:38 outside, and we're heading. Wait, hala, wait lang. Makapagalitan ako ni nanay. Flowers, we can feel the flower. Oh, natinik. Pretty stressful, tired of homeworks.
Ang tagal naman mamika.
Yeah. Actually,
Another day, another slay. Period.
Vlog tayo, Riley. Tayo naman mag-vlog. Hi guys, yun na yung labi kong namamaga. Mamaga yung labi ko guys kasi nalagay yung cellphone. Tigyan out sa labi ko. Hey! Elyu!
it's so spicy.
Gagayin ko yung manghang dito. Ano yun? Iba yung lasa. Uy!
Wala pang 5 minutes.
Lovarts apart flavor. I have my own version. It's called Lovarts. Lovarts. Stop. Nakita mo yun sa video? So, hi guys, I'm in Clubhouse Court right now, and at may naglalandian. Like,
Kita nyo ba guys? Hindi
Yan
kasi,
na.
hindi kasi nakalagay.
oo, like, piling pogi. Tapos, magpo-post sa Facebook na 75 yung grades, pagod na sa buhay.
75!
Kaya dumadami ng populasyon ng Pilipinas, guys, dahil sa mga gantong bata. Kaya ikaw, huwag ka sumunod. Huwag ka nang pabigat sa Pilipinas. Kasi ang dami na talagang populasyon ng Pilipinas. Gently advise, huwag maging POK.
Oh my god, it's wet. But I think it's okay because my tita said it's waterproof. Oh my god, guys, let's try this under the water, okay? Let's try them out here.
Paano ba? Yung gano'n? Tumatuloy na. So, galaw-galaw ka lang siya.
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god! What is that?
Okay guys, bye!
Bayat?
Nalunod si nanay! Nalunod si...
Baby!
Hi,
Tubig?
Ikot tayo.
Ma, tingnan mo oh! Woo! Ma, tingnan mo! Ikaw sa bibig niya. Riley!
Apple. Baka nahihilo kayo.
Hey, Ashley, look at this.
So guys, nagluto pala kami ng cheese nachos. And nag-experiment kami ni tita kasi we're dying here, tapos sila wala. Tapos kami namamatay na sa gutom. And we're scavenging every food. Nag-experiment kami ni tita. What is your comment about those things?
I don't know. No comment.
Dapat tinasper ko
What is your comment about extension? What is your comment about extension?
Magwawalis lang daw siya.
It's so good.
Dala niyo ako ng pambahay. Basta kami papasok bukas. Pambahay.
May carbonate. Ang mental ng hininga ko. So yummy. So, hi guys again.
Wala din tayo picture dyan, dalawa.
We're
Picturean nyo Mama, wala pa
Eh paano? Killjoy kayo. Ayaw nyo makisali.
Wala pa tayong picture na kasama kayo, ma.
Niyayaya namin.
heading to simbahan.
Sumama lagi. Kasi di ba ang ingay na naman. Tinan mo, wala nagsasalita na naman lahat. Wala na naman maintindihan.
Amen. We just got spring.
Sasay pati yan. Pati yung moments na.